Hi guys, tonight is so really quite cold, so I made myself a nice hot lemon tea. Even though it's only 9:26 p.m., the weather is already getting quite chilly. That's why I decided to make a cup of hot lemon tea. I'm drinking with from a glass that's very common and familiar here in my country, the glass. And here's my cat. Hey, here's my cat keeping me company. He has just finished eating some chicken, so he's feeling nice and full.